Good day. I am Chrisley Lahot Sambayon and I am going to discuss the following: hand-eye coordination and its development stages between birth to 3 years, 3 to 5 years, and also between 5 to 7 years. Also visual literacy, verbal creativity, aesthetics, and the nature and scope of aesthetics. Hand-eye coordination is one of the most important parts of the learning process. It is the ability to do activities that requires the simultaneous use of our hands and eyes. Example: in reading and writing, hand-eye coordination helps your child track the movement of their hand with their eyes. Birth to 3-year-old develops the vision needed in order to start following objects with their eyes. Begin basic eye-hand activities such as grasping, reaching, feeding, and dressing. Start to realize directions such as up, down, in, and out, and begin to manipulate smaller objects using fine motor skills. 3 to 5-year-old turning pages in a book, drawing circles, demonstrating special awareness through intentional placement of small objects, and better control of eating utensils. 5 to 7-year-old writing individual letters, coloring within lines, doing up zippers and buttons, move and manipulate objects easily, and eventual skill development into sport playing such as tennis or football. Visual literacy is the ability to read, write, and create visual images. Visual literacy is a concept that relates to art and design, but it also has much wider applications. Visual literacy is about language, communication, and interaction. Verbal creativity. It is an ability to think creatively and to measure one's fluency, flexibility, and originality of a verbal form, which deals with words and sentences. Aesthetics is the philosophical study of beauty and taste. It is closely related to the philosophy of art, which is concerned with the nature of art and the concepts in terms of which individual works of art are interpreted and evaluated. Aesthetics is broader in scope than the philosophy of art, which comprises with one of its branches. It deals not only with the nature and value of the arts, but also with those responses to natural objects that find expression in the language of the beautiful and the ugly.
I know gold is not enough.